I'm Nick.
And I'm Alex.
And we did the elephant's toothpaste experiment. For the materials for this experiment, you need 50 milliliter graduated cylinder, Dawn Ultra, potassium iodide, hydrogen peroxide, and you also need gloves and goggles because of the high concentration from the the hydrogen peroxide.
First we poured 1.5 milliliters of Dawn into the 50 milliliter graduated cylinder. And then we poured 1 gram of potassium iodide into the 50 milliliter graduated cylinder. And then we poured 10 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide into the 50 milliliter graduated cylinder.
Okay, so this reaction caused foam to come out of the graduated cylinder. It was a yellowish tint, and the foam is created when the three solutions are combined. The reaction also gave off steam.
This foam is formed by tiny bubbles of oxygen getting trapped in the detergent. The oxygen bubbles were created by the hydrogen peroxide and potassium iodide being combined. The potassium iodide was the catalyst, which is like speeding up the reaction. And the oxygen gas creates the foam when potassium iodide reacts with the detergent. The hydrogen peroxide undergoes a chemical reaction and is changed into water and oxygen.
Okay. And then these three equations we have written on the board. The first one is just the overall reaction of what's happening. And then in this experiment, there's a catalyst, which is the potassium iodide, which speeds up the reaction. So these two equations represent how the potassium iodide reacts and speeds it up. And then we also have a reference. We use sciencesquad.edu.